Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me again for my weekly COVID-19 update. First, I'd like to give a special shout out to each of you as we just celebrated National Superhero Day on April 28th. You are brave, self-sacrificing, and certainly heroic with the work you do. That makes you superheroes. Our location in Gresham, Oregon celebrated their superheroes in a special way last week. It was fun to see these pictures and be reminded once again of the incredible work you're doing. Now for a recap of our numbers. As of Thursday, 71 residents and 51 employees are infected with COVID-19. Unfortunately, 17 residents have passed away who also had tested positive. Our hearts continue to be with those families and the staff who cared for them. Now, it's also important that we share stories of recovery. To date, 31 employees and 21 residents have recovered from the virus. This is excellent news. If you've recovered from COVID-19 and would like to share your story, please reach out. Your experience can be an encouragement to people all over the country who are fighting COVID-19 or know someone who is. Next, I'll talk about a new form of social distancing we'll soon be navigating. States across the country are starting to make plans to reopen restaurants, stores, send employees back to work. As healthcare workers who are caring for the nation's most vulnerable, you may have questions about how reopening impacts you and what you can do to stay safe through it. My tip to you is to continue to follow recommended guidance to prevent the spread and keep yourself healthy. Things like social distancing, masking, and self-monitoring will be even more important as social activity returns. I know we're all anxious to get back to normal life, but as healthcare workers, it's important we continue to prioritize the safety and well-being of our coworkers and the individuals we serve. I'd like to share an opportunity that's available to employees everywhere. The Good Samaritan Society has always had an employee crisis fund to assist employees during financial hardships. Now we're partnering with Sanford Health to create an enterprise employee crisis fund that's available to all Society and Sanford employees. To apply for financial assistance, please visit the website on the screen or call the Employee Service Center. We're living in uncertain times, and now more than ever, we need to be there for each other. This week, the Employee Crisis Fund surpassed $1 million in donations. That's just after 3 weeks of being open. If you're facing financial hardship due to COVID-19 or any reason, please know these funds are available for you. 100% of the $1 million will go to employees. To end, I want to give a special message to your loved ones. I'm so grateful to them for all the private, often unseen and overlooked sacrifices they've made. I realize none of the amazing work happening here would be possible without them. Please share my gratitude with your families because we're all in this together. You are a healthcare hero. You always have been. And your employees' loved ones are the hearts behind our heroes. Thank you for all you do. Stay safe and see you next week.